March is a month with 5 Fridays, which means even more new videos for you. We're going to start by wandering around the West Country Quilt Show, which we did a little while ago, and as well as nosing around lots of interesting stands and displays and looking at some of the remarkable competition quilts, we meet super talented textile artists Fran Holmes and Virginia Crawford. In our workshops this month, contemporary quilter Helen Howes turns her modern patchwork block into a very useful laptop or Kindle cover. And Valerie also gets to work with a great bundle of fabric from Oakshott to make this modern quilt. Jenny Raymond shares with us her windmill star design, which has you working with a partial seam technique, and other techniques covered this month include the cylinder method patchwork with Valerie, bead quilting from Paula, and more helpful advice from Jenny on the warp and weft of your fabric. And the final part of our Block of the Month series this month, how to layer, quilt and bind your quilt. Our Throwback Thursday this month features the designs of Karen Hellaby, as Valerie shares with us her So Simple pinwheels. And finally, with Easter just around the corner, you might like to make a start on a delightful wreath with the help of Gail Penberthy. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.